Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. I know, same outfit, beautiful skirt from Rival Closet and the top from Primark. Reason being, I just filmed all the videos in one day just to make it easier for myself. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more of me. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first look was this beautiful pink top from Zara with that cute little polka dot ruffle skirt. The top is amazing quality, super thick, and then it's been like lined as well. Can you see if I turn it around? It's like double the material. Really nice and stretchy. Beautiful kind of pink colour, very vibrant and girly. Nice thick straps. I'll show you the back of the top as well. Just amazing quality. And guess the price, $7.99. This is a great price for this quality. It's so worth it. It is a great like vest top. If you're someone who loves vests but they're constantly like breaking or they don't last a long time, I would get this one from Zara. This is amazing quality and it's definitely going to last you. I think it looks really nice, cute and girly with this little skirt on. Yeah, I'll take it out so you can see the length of it. So that is the full length of that top. Very versatile. You can wear it with skirts, you can wear it with jeans, and just very nice. Like, and for the price, completely worth it. The next piece that I got was super fun. This beautiful kind of gold sequin set. So you got like the biker short trousers, biker short shorts, you know, kind of that biker short style, but they're all sequined out. Sorry, I'm wearing white underwear, so they just go over my knees, which is cute. And then the top as well, just a cute little like fun sleeveless spaghetti strap top with all sequins. To be honest, I know some people probably wear this as a dress. If you want to be fun, be fun. We do have adjustable straps at the back. Sorry for my bra, but I want to be a bit more appropriate because this is a little bit on the see-through side. So my best suggestion would be to wear a bra that's close to your skin colour. There are retailers out there that do multicolored bras to fit your skin colour as best as possible. But yeah, I love this look. Super girly and fun. A nice look if you want to go out with the girls, like go for a drink in town, in London, we're in the city, wherever you are. So yeah, I would wear this with like some gold earrings, gold heels, and just go out with my girls and have the time of my life on the dance floor. You know, it's something different as well, because sometimes you don't always want to wear a dress. You want to be comfortable. This is actually a really comfortable outfit, even with all the sequins. It's actually really comfy. I probably wouldn't wear around the house because sequins would end up everywhere, but I would definitely like wear it out, as I said, with the girls. Yeah, the biker shorts are really nice. You've got elastic at the waist, which makes it nice and easy to get on. So let's find out statistics. So the biker shorts are $25.99 and then this top is $25.99. So about £50 for the whole outfit, but £50 and then the night of your life with your girls. And this is reusable. You could actually wear the top by itself with some jeans. The biker shorts, I don't know about those by themselves, but I know the top can be worn multiple times. So yeah, just a cute little fun look for you guys. Next up was this beautiful crochet dress from Zara. It's super long, goes all the way down to my ankles. Beautiful multicolour, kind of got the purple, the yellow, the greens, just absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna like turn around for you so you can see the look of it. So the back has a like crossover. Absolutely stunning. You can actually see the stitching work on the crochet, so it's beautiful, beautiful. And then I like you got a deep V and you got the big purples for the chest. One downside for this dress is it is a little bit on the baggier side. I wish it was just a bit tighter for me. As you can see there, it only goes down to a size small. they didn't make a size extra small. I'm not sure why. I feel like if they made it extra small, it would have fitted me a bit better. Right now the dress looks like a size 10 and I usually wear a size 8. So I'm not in love with it just because I just don't think it fits well on me. I'm probably going to return it, and if I keep thinking about the dress, I may end up repurchasing it. That's just like how I am sometimes. It is a pricey dress now. It is $69.99. I don't know if this has been handmade or hand crocheted. I don't even know about crochet. Do you have to do crochet handmade, or can a machine actually do it itself? I'm not sure on that. I'm not sure whether if it is handmade, that's why it's more expensive, or it's just like the labor or the time that it takes to make the dress. I'm not really sure, but it is on the priciest side. It is really beautiful. If you're size 10 UK and above, I feel like this will fit you a lot better. 10 and 12, get the small, because if you can see, it's got a lot of movement and stretch to it, so you know, get the small and try it on for yourself. But yeah, a really beautiful dress. Love the colours. Just wish it was a bit tighter for me, because I like things to be figure hugging. So I just tilted my camera so you can see at the very bottom of that, you can see exactly how long that dress is. For reference, I am 5'3", which is 161 centimeters. I have had an obsession with satin dresses ever since I've been like shopping at Zara. So I had to pick up the polka dot black one. How gorgeous is it? It is so cute, right? Look at like the little frill at the bottom. Oh my gosh, it's fire. It's so nice. Like when I saw it on the model, I was like, that could be cute. That could be cute. Now I have it on. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Like you could wear this in the daytime, get loads of attraction and eyes on you, and you could also wear it in the nighttime, like as a nice little dinner date dress. I love it. We've got spaghetti straps, and then we've got adjustable straps as well. And we've got that kind of, I know the word, but I don't want to say it because I'll probably pronounce it wrong. Is it cowl? Cowl effect in the front. So it's that kind of like loose material, which is nice and fun. It's like a little tease. It's like, you know, a little bit of sexiness, but you're actually not showing off anything. I think the dress is gorgeous, absolutely amazing. It looks so nice on me, and it feels really nice and soft on. Now, let me find out the statistics on this. Oh gosh. I always struggle with the labels. I like literally dislocate myself trying to find the label. So the dress is $29.99 and I got it in a size extra small, which is basically my Zara size. Though I found out one item that was too small for me in an extra small. But yeah, this is really, really gorgeous. A really nice little piece. You can wear it, you know, in the daytime and also in the nighttime. It was this kind of all white look. So it's this long white top. It's got sleeves down, cut out sleeves. It's more of a dress than a top, to be honest, because if you see, it goes over my knees. I'm 5'3" for reference. It's got a cute little belt, and then it's got buttons all the way down it. And then it came with these trousers. If I show you, really, really funky. I love these trousers, really, really nice. Material quality is so like heavy and soft at the same time. It's got these like frills at the very bottom. How fun is that? Really, really great. Elastic and stretchy, but you've got a zip on the side. I just love this look. I saw this on their one of their campaigns. The woman was wearing exactly this, but different necklace. The necklace that I'm wearing is like beachy, pearly kind of necklace, like the gold. It would look nice with like something that was coming all the way down, like a multicolored one, like the one that she was wearing. But I couldn't find one that was in stock in Zara. So yeah, a really kind of fun look. Very, you know, conservative, all covered up, but super funky and fun. I would wear like sandals, like sandal heels, and yeah, like gold ones. yeah, I just love this look. It's very earthy and fun. I love this kind of vibe from Zara. I'll show you the back of this as well. But yeah, I hope you like the look as well. I just think it's fun and cool. Now, the necklace is $17.99, so a bit from the pricey side for a necklace. The top is, or the top slash dress is $29.99. For the quality, material and the length of it, that's a great price. And the bottoms are, which I love the bottoms, $25.99, and I got both of them in a size extra small, if I'm correct. Let me just double check that. Oh, sorry, no. I got the bottoms in a size small and the top also in a size small. Sorry, so yeah, I got them in a size small. Great quality and look for the price. So this outfit would be about, how much is this top again? 30, 55. Yeah, it's about £55 for the outfit, and then I'll probably pick a different necklace, something from a different retailer if you can find a nice long multicolour one. But yeah, really like this look. Very loungy and fun. Okay guys, so that was the end of my Zara try on haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I picked up some gorgeous pieces from Zara's. Some were keepers, some were not. But I really enjoyed making these videos. Again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. This basically means that I'll be able to do more videos, especially whilst I'm out in Greece. It'll be a bit harder for me to make videos whilst I'm in Greece because I will be studying, but I'm definitely going to try and make as many videos for you as I can. Thank you for all your love and support, and let's just continue to grow the channel. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers and then 100,000 subscribers. But right now I am so grateful and thankful, and yeah, let's just carry on having fun, shopping, and I'm definitely going to be doing like vlogs and like what I get up to when I move out to Greece. I also want to travel like other European countries, so hopefully I'll be able to take you with me. Only thing I don't have is a like vlog camera. This one that I have is like the big one. I don't really want to like take it out. Maybe I'll use my phone whilst I'm out there. Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. What outfit did you like the most? And yeah, see you soon. Bye.